This is the story of how Ryan Bradley of Bradley Law secured the largest motorcycle accident recovery in Missouri history.
When I was going to work one day, I was going down Kings Highway and some lady cut me off and I T-boned her with my motorcycle. I was in a coma for like 60 days and I'm wheelchair bound for the rest of my life.
When I got the case, I realized, number one, I had a catastrophically injured person. I mean, when I first saw Kurt, he was in a coma and the doctors weren't even sure he was going to live. So he's made an amazing recovery, but I knew either way it was going to be a case that deserved the full-blown investigation. On Kings Highway, it's the largest non-highway thoroughfare, and there are 3 and 4 lanes going north and 3 or 4 lanes going south. By this hospital complex, there was a large monument with signs for a bunch of different hospitals. One of the reasons why Kurt T-boned the car is because he couldn't see it in time to react. The lady that was driving the car also testified that she could not see him and thought it was safe because she didn't see within her sight distance that was obscured by the sign any cars coming. I had a gut feeling that something about it just wasn't right. The focus of the case really became not on the lady that pulled in front of him, but why was the sign there? It should not have been there. When I heard that she had interviewed multiple other lawyers and every one of them apparently told them that the case was only worth $250,000 because that was the most insurance that this lady had, I thought to myself, well, have they really dug into this case? Have they really identified all the potential defendants? After I confirmed that there was something, I really pulled in the top experts in the nation to come in and take a look at this thing. But come to find out, we started analyzing the intersection, trying to figure out really the root cause of why this occurred. We determined after some level of investigation that the minimum required sight distance for this particular intersection was not present because of this placement of the median sign. Before we even filed suit, knew that we could prove liability on behalf of multiple defendants.
There was a lot more defendants to go after instead of one. Which all the other lawyers said the only one we could go after. Ryan said there were multiple defendants. They did a good job. They always stayed in contact with me. I guess it was a long drawn out case and they stayed in touch. So it didn't seem as long as 6 years. I would definitely recommend the Bradley Law Firm.